will come digital here automatically. Okay, then digital will go like this. Okay, then through internet, this is the internet. Okay, then your voice is transmigrating different locations. So this is your voice.
Voice on the.
This voice means packet switch.
Voice.
Okay, I'm not telling circuit switch. This is the packet.
Voice
Voice over
over
IP means circuit switch, not circuit switch. Packet switch. Today you have to search in Google what is the circuit switch and versus packet switch with example. I'm not telling it again. Okay, I cannot tell because everybody did engineering, right? Everything is mentioned. Everybody is studied. Okay, so then how to do that? So voice phone one making a call. You know, internet, your Gmail, your WhatsApp call. How is call is going on through internet? That is called voice call, video call, audio call. Okay, so this is called your voice over IP. Next, okay. See here. So here, how to communicate from one phone to another phone. So how? So first, your cattle modem. This is your cordless phone, and this is how to communicate another system. This system is packet switch. Suppose, so this adapter, VoIP adapter is here. So this cordless phone will connect through VoIP, then cable modem, then will connect to internet. Then this phone will be communicated to this PC. This is having your soft phone. Then you can install, you can call. Okay.
One doubt I have.
Just wait, I'll tell you. After finish, then I'll tell you. Okay. So this is your network. Your system having a phone. These are phone. Your system is here. Your soft phone is here. And IP phone. You have seen this IP phones in your office, in your college, sorry, security guard, police station. So this is IP. Because IP phone will use the less price and multiple functionalities there. IP phone, okay, conference call, video call, audio call, very cheap rate, okay. So this is the IP phone, this is the PSTN phone. Two phones are there. Your land phone, it looks like your land phone, but that is not IP. IP means like this. Same cutover, but there IP is there. But I'm show how to communicate to each other. Okay. When this IP phone will call to your PSTN network, I'll call that time PSTN to IP phone, PSTN to your land phone, IP to land phone to your mobile. Okay. So that communication will happen. These are the device. VoIP gateway is there. The VoIP server is there. Okay. I'll tell. Okay. I'll tell that. 2 minutes. Okay. Udah clean ya. Siapa bahasa share. So now, so we'll see that voice over protocol. Okay. Already I explained. So this is your two handset, how to communicate to each other through the internet protocol, IP protocol. Okay. Now, see, voice over internet protocol, VoIP is term used in IP telephony for managing the delivery for voice of delivery of voice information using the internet protocol. Already I explained, sending voice information in digital form in discrete packets. Discrete packet means your digital form, because your voice is coming from your mouth, is analog, then analog to digital, then digital packet is moving towards your destination. To avoid the toll charge by ordinary telephone device, the first VoIP application internet protocol deployed in vocal telephone. Okay. So what is the definition of VoIP? Voice over IP is the telephone technology of digitizing sound, compressing and breaking it up onto data packets and sending over an IP network, where it is reassembled, decompressed, and converted back into an analog waveform. What is that meaning? One system, one mobile, when called to another mobile, those mobiles are VoIP phone. VoIP phone means packet switch phone. Packet switch phone. Packet switch means your uh, not circuit switch phone. 2G, 3G, those are circuit switch. Okay. So packet switch means that is internet. Suppose you have a Gmail, you can call your laptop to another laptop. How will call? You have also WhatsApp. So those are IP phone. Okay. Suppose IP communication. Okay. I will tell to install your system how to do that. Okay. Practical times. VoIP saves bandwidth also by sending only the conversion of data and not sending the silence periods. So noise also coming. How to release the noise? I will tell. By removing the VoIP packets containing silence from the overall VoIP traffic, we can reach up to 50% saving. Because earlier, so compared to circuit switch, VoIP was very cheap. Because you are connecting internet, you can call multiple times and anytime you can call. Because there is no charges in VoIP phone when you are having internet, right? If you call to your phone, that time very cheap, very costly. Okay, it was very costly because of charges. International call, you cannot call international because charges is more. 10 rupees will be one call, 1 second, 10 minutes. So when you are in Bangalore, you will suppose Odisha or Bangalore, if you want to call to US, Canada, Japan, Europe countries, then this is through VoIP phone we can call. Because otherwise it will charge more. So that's why VoIP over IP communication is very cheap. So that's why everybody nowadays VoLTE call came. So through your VoLTE call, you are calling WhatsApp call, you are calling video call through WhatsApp. Different types of VoIP phone is available. Okay. Requirements of VoIP phone: software requirements, hardware requirements, protocol requirements. Requirements VoIP means what is the VoIP requirements? Software requirements: software package chosen will reflect the organization needs, but should contain the following models: voice processing model, functionality provided by voice processing. How the VoIP server is there? Suppose that internet I showed, right? I put my server here, VoIP server. So everybody will be registering this VoIP server. Okay. So this is the VoIP. VoIP internet protocol is there. Okay. So now we'll see which protocol is used, how is used. Just now I'll tell. So first, VoIP server is here. So inside the VoIP server, what are the VoIP is a technology, is a family. Inside different protocols are there. Protocols. This is a protocol. This is a protocol. This is a protocol. This is a protocol. Like when if you compare your family have different entities. Suppose example, Satya, Samadarshi is there, Alok is there, his father is there, his mother is there. Okay, multiple family network, family entities. Do you think that Samadarshi is doing something? Do you think that same thing his father will do? No, right? Same thing his mother will do? No. His mother will different responsibility. So his brother is having different responsibility. His wife is having different responsibilities. Okay. So these are the communication. Okay. So these are the communication. How the network entities. Okay. So working different responsibilities. Those are called protocol network entities. Suppose so here some other will communicate his wife with his wife. But this is different communication. Why? Because whatever he is telling his wife, did you think that same thing he will tell to his mother? No. Did you think that same thing he will tell to his brother? Same communication? No. Because his wife and his communication is different. And his communication between his brother is different. Okay? So different communication. Suppose he will tell different emotionally his wife. Same thing cannot communicate with his brother or father or mother. So this communication is having called protocol. Rules and regulations there. Suppose he will tell his wife, so what do you need? What are the requirements for that in the family? She will tell that. But same thing cannot tell to his brother. Same way, same communication. And same thing cannot tell to his father, his mother. Okay. So likewise, so these are called communication. So this communication is called nothing but protocol. Whoever is not able to understand, tell me. So protocol is nothing but communication between two network entities. Which protocol? Protocol is set of rules. Suppose set of rules means here one man. Okay. Suppose when he wants to call, so when he will discuss with him, you both face should be eye contact, face should be to parallel, okay, should be face-to-face communication, right? Here, who is carrying the voice? Who is carrying the voice? So RTP, sorry, here is AR is carrying the voice both, right? Likewise, in the VoIP, different protocols are there for different network entity communication. Okay, so now we'll discuss what are the first one is which protocol? SI protocol. What is that? Chinu, you can tell SIP. Next, Chinu, next protocol, RTP.
Hello. Yes. Yes, sir. RTP, RTCP, SDP.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the protocols. Okay, these four protocols are used in another. Okay, so suppose I will tell who is responsible for signaling. Chinnu. So this is a signaling protocol.
Signal protocol. Signal is protocol.
This is
Transfer.
which protocol?
Transfer.
Which level transfer? Application level.
Application.
And this is the mega protocol. When land phone to communicate to your IP phone.
IP phone. Yes, sir.
Suppose he doesn't know UDI, but he knows UDI. But he wants to talk to this guy. How to call? Mediator is required, right? So when UDI will come hit will this mediator, then here will be display, here will become Telugu, right? Translator. So likewise, this which protocol will use here? The Megaco. I'll tell that Megaco. SD means what? Describing description protocol, session description protocol. SI means session initiation protocol. Okay. So description. Suppose when SIP will carry, this is the signal protocol. So who is the carrying? RTP and RTCP. Okay. Then Megaco is the communicator, different network communicator. Okay, I'll tell that. So first signaling established. Signaling purpose, the protocol is ready. But what signal will carry? Then you have to discuss here. Here to describe. What is the RTP means? Here SD means session description protocol. Okay. Session description protocol means, so what he will describe here? Describe audio, video, SMS, text. So this is called SDP protocol. So this is the SI protocol. And who will carry? Who will carry? Who will carry? RTP and RTCP. Okay.
RTC.
So here we carry to another network. Okay. So here AR is carrying, right? Suppose when you are telling to your friend something, you are discussing both. So who is the medium here? AR is the medium, right?
Yes.
Suppose
Yes, sir.
he will put back, he's talking, but he's putting backside, his backside. Is it a correct communication? Because here here faces towards this one, and here faces towards this one.
No, sir.
So when he's telling, discussing, another person also say another person is there also. Multiple person, but how to know that this is he's calling to him, telling to him? Because
When
this
he'll
communication,
yeah.
this is a rules and regulation is telling to communicate face to face, eye contact, right? Rule is telling to communicate to each other. Suppose if he is face here is misbehaving, right? We'll think that misbehaving. Misbehaving means that is called violation, that is called miscommunication. So that suppose this guy, his face is coming here, but he's telling to this guy. But did he listen? No. Because this voice is not belongs to him, but he can listen, right? But telling to him, but he is not listening. He is not listening. So that's why. So this is called miscommunication, right? So in VoIP, these are the protocols. Okay. Now we'll see. So voice processing models. SIP means session initiation protocol. Suppose initiation means, so you know that layer. You know layer. I told the OSI layer. OSI layer. 7 layer is there, right? APST and DP, application presentations, session layer, transport layer, network layer, and data link layer. Okay. So here a application presentation, session, transport, and network layer, presentation layer. Okay, then network layer, then data link layer. Sorry, data link layer, then presentation layer. Application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link layer.
Data physical.
Physical layer.
So SI protocol
Application. First three.
Okay, SIP and RTP also. These protocols only these 3 layers communication. Not you will think that RTP is carrying, no? Then you will know carrying means who is transporting RTP RTCP. Then you can think this one. No. So this is UDP TCP layer. Okay, but RTP carrying which type of transport carrying application? Which type of transport carrying traffic? Application. This is the application layer, you can say, right? Okay. Presentation session layer is called one layer, that is called application layer. Okay. So presentation means I already explained. I cannot explain it repeatedly. Okay. Everybody have to learn from. If you forgot, then you have to learn again. Tomorrow I'll ask. So remember, tomorrow I will ask whatever I telling today, whatever I'm teaching. Okay. Next, echo cancellation, idle noise detection, packet voice protocol. So these are the key components. How slowly we have to grasp up. Packet processing module. This module is required to process the voice and signaling packets ready for the transmission on the IP-based network. So means when packet signaling is established, then active will flow. Active means what? Your voice, video, traffic. So who is carrying in packet switch? RTP. Circuit switch you will see trunk or tunnel, TDM. Okay, that packet will travel means packet switch is packets. Circuit switch trunk. Okay, I'll tell that. So these are the key points of protocol requirement. S.323 is called nothing but your International Telecommunication Union created different protocol name. So and these are the bandwidth, G7 on a codec. I'll tell that when we go deeply. Then Real-time transfer protocol is stands protocol for streaming application developed with the IETF. IETF means Internet Engineer Task Force. So one community is there. Who is responsible? Any changes is there that IETF will be responsible for that. Then resource resolution protocol. The resource, how to resolve the resource. I'll tell that. The resource resolution protocol will be both communicator will be resource will resolve. This resource reserved for that this communication. Okay, resource. So here see, VoIP for internet already I explained. Two PC having their internet and they can call together to each other. So this is the full duplex, not half duplex. Half duplex is walkie-talkie. Okay, VoIP for the internet, PC to PC, telephone to telephone. These are the advantages. Free calls regardless distance or any length of call. Disadvantage, often the voice quality is bad due to the lack of bandwidth available for the call. So when this is your PC, if you want to call to your land phone, then I told her that a megaco is this gateway is not nothing but megaco. Translator, I told him this is he understand English, but he doesn't know English. He wants only his regional communication. So I told here is the gateway, the translator. That gateway is called a translator. I tell that here is the IP network. This is PST network. PST network published with telephone network. Okay. So PC to PC, phone to PC communication, phone to PC to phone communication. So here is the active flow, here is TDM flow. Which flow? TDM flow. TDM, when he because he doesn't understand TDM, then he is the translator. Gateway is a translator. Okay. When the active flow is hitting here, then it's translate to TDM. Okay. Here signaling protocol is the SIP, Session Initiation Protocol. Here is the ISO protocol. ISDN user path protocol for signaling. So signaling protocol is here, SIP. Traffic flow, RTP. Who is describing? It is a video, audio, or text SD protocol. Whoever not able to understand, raise your hand. So this again I'm telling here, this machine to this gateway, which protocol? SIP, because signaling is required. So SIP is nothing but signaling based protocol, text based protocol. So why SIP is there? Another is a binary protocol. Here is binary. ISOP is a binary because 0101. Very difficult to understand. Human cannot understand easily, but here, boy, hi, how are you? Very easily can understand. So that's why text-based protocol, signal-based protocol, easily my human can understand. But here 0101 format, binary format, very difficult to understand. So that's why that is called circuit switch. Circuit switch means dedicated channel, dedicated connected. When you are calling to your another land phone, there is one or any option waiting call? No, right? If another one call is disconnected, then another call will be connected, right? So that dedicated channel for this. But packet switch you can call conference call, call hold, and different enhanced call you can do that in VoIP network, packet switch network. Circuit switch is a dedicated channel. Remember, circuit switch is a dedicated channel. Packet switch is packet-based channel. Packet-based, signaling-based. Packet-based, transport. Signal is here channel-based. TDM. TDM for transcode division multiplex. TDM. Here, pack RTP, real-time protocol, RTP. RTCP means real-time transport control, means one packet. Suppose packet 1 after reached here, second packet will reach him. Every 5 seconds will be maintain the flow. That is called RTCP flow. If RTCP not used, randomly will send. Okay? Then it will collision will happen. So that RTCP is come to picture when I want every 5 seconds one packet should be go. So in that time control that. So that RTCP will control the sister of RTP. RTCP is the sister of RTP. Okay, next. Next is called types of VoIP for office to office, advantage. Internet free, intro office calls are free since the company already has. Because if you go to your office, they have IP phone because no cost, free. Okay, they are taking lease line for internet. So you can system, you will see that behind the system or desktop that IP phone will be connected. There are no charges. Okay, next. So PST into gateway, gateway to PST, and then phone. So here multiple IP base. Okay. So these gateways are VoIP gateway. Okay. IP gateway. So types of VoIP, advantage, disadvantage here. So I will show you telephone, consumer, phone adapter, cable modem, personal computer, telephone, working different. And advantage of VoIP, single network infrastructure. VoIP is a soft switching, simple upgrade path, bandwidth efficiency. Only one physical network is required to deal with both voice and fax. So lower physical equipment costs. So disadvantage means the internet is not the best medium for real-time communications. Heavy congestion on the internet network can result in considerable degradation. Compatibility between different operators. Conclusion: these are the fundamental of your VoIP network. Voice over IP is quickly becoming readily available across most of the world. However, many problems still remain. More for the time being, transmission networks involve too much latency or drop too many packets. This affects quality of service, sometimes severely deteriorating the quality of the call. Also, VoIP contains many security risks, sending out packets that any person may intercept. Okay, so I'll tell what is intercept communication. Okay, so next we'll go your that
One doubt I have.
yes. Tell me,
Again, you explain that RTP and RTCP. That
Sorry?
real-time protocol.
Sorry.
Again, you explain RTP and RTCP. RTCP is the sister of RTP. Again, you explain that. That real-time protocol.
I'll explain. Okay. I'll explain. Okay. I'll explain RTP and RCP. Don't worry. Okay. So next I'm telling that. So how already today only the introduction of what is VoIP. Already I told VoIP is a packetization how to send to another VoIP network. So that is VoIP is packetization and transport of classic public switch telephone system audio over an IP network. So it allows two-way voice transmission over the broadband connection. It is also called IP telephony, internet telephony, voice over broadband telephony, right? So here are different. What is the PSTN? PSTN is not a voice over network use circuit switch. For internet use packet switch. Dedicated path between already I explained dedicated channel. So dedicated channel means path. Dedicated path between calling and call party. Calling means who is calling, and call means who is the receiving call party, calling party. So bandwidth reserved in advance. Cost is based on distance and time. So internet, what is the internet? How to say no dedicated path between sender and receiver. There is no dedicated packet switch now. So you can call, another person can call. So here you can see where call waiting, conference call hold, this side. It acquires and releases bandwidth as it needed. Cost is not based on distance and time. Okay. So this is the circuit switch. Circuit switch, how see one telephone network, how to communicate another telephone network. Okay. So here PBX. Okay, PBX box is here. How circuit switch is communicating. You have dedicated channel here. Central office. I will tell that packet switch circuit switch. Circuit switch network. So when this guy is calling to this guy, so these are different channels. First he will call to this guy. Here multiple phones are available, same channel, so can communicate. But packet switch, so here router switch come to the picture. I already explained what is the router, how router is communicating another network. Okay, how the router communicates another switch. Switch is communicate to your telephone, your IP phone, your laptops, your desktops. Then you can make a call. Right. So next, converge network. Both converge means circuit switch and packet switch converge. So that's why your gateway is come to the picture. Gateway. This is called your gateway. Okay. So how to communicate to each other, right? Then VoIP, how does it work? Analog to digital, digital to analog. This is the VoIP phone signaling. Okay. Well, how does it work? So encapsulating routing, I will tell that. So these are the codec, voice codec. Okay, codec. Without codec cannot transmit the voice. Encapsulate means you wrapped up, you compress. Okay, then I will route. Route means the voice is routed through the network. Routing means travel. Okay. So how the architecture of VoIP, PST network, IP network, how PST network is coming, how it is working. Then will be protocols will be communicated through the process. Protocols already I told. Process, the set of rules and regulation governed by the government body. Who's the government body here? Telecom network, telecom agency. Okay. So these are your components to how the gateway is handling and codec how is happening. So these are the protocol. I already explained which level protocols. I told that these two SIP and RTP, these are application layer protocol, download transport layer protocol. So this is your VoIP network model. Network layer, IP multicast, data link layer, and physical layer. So how the communication is happening? Application layer protocol is different and transport protocol is different. Network layer protocols are different, data link protocols are different. Already I explained, right, in CCN how the transport is happening, how network is happening, data link, everything I explained. So this stack is called, this network model is called VoIP network model. So this two layer is nothing but your application model, layer model. So here RTP is transporting which type of signal, which type of traffic, application traffic. Question will come, what is the difference between UDP and TCP? UDP TCP will transport the in transport layer, but RTP is both are, and these are communicating in application layer. Real time traffic is carrying, but here not traffic. Here also traffic is in, but it's a transport layer traffic. Okay. So any doubt? Then I will tell that here. Okay. Who is having question? RTP and RTCP.
Yes.
Real time transport, whatever voice, video, audio. So those kind of traffic can carry in application layer. Where application layer, but these are transport layer. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt? Clear,
No.
right? Not clear?
Yes.
Anybody having doubt? Now, IP protocol layering, application containing TCP, webmail, pages, how UDP is transport. Your application layer, who is there? SIP and RTP, SD protocol, those application layers is this layer. Then internet protocol, then physical cable transport. Okay. So these are the so how signal is going on? I will tell SIP. First will send invite. When you are making calling, one call will go, one signal will go. One signal will hit here. Which signal? That is SIP invite method. SIP session initial protocol is there. Request, response, and header. So this who is sending? That is client. Who is receiving? That is called server. I will tell SIP. Okay. I'm putting the overall communication. Okay. So overall communication means how the one user A and user B is here. Okay. User A is client, user B is server. So here client server communication. Who is sending? Remember, who is sending? That is called client. Who is receiving? That is called server. So here client server communication. A is sending invite. What is the invite? That is a request. And response, who is sending response? Server always send response. So see when it ringing, response or request. Client always, who is sending request? That is called client. Who is sending response? That is called server.
Server.
Okay. So now invite is sending by user A. So when making call, A is making call, signaling who is sending SI protocol, which may request invite. Invite sending to B, then ring will have when call make a call, you are getting a ring, right? Your phone is ringing, right? Then phone will ring your side. then it will go response automatically. If 1-8 ring is not going, then your phone won't ring. So your phone is ringing means automatical 1-8 response, 1-8 ringing response sent by who? User. And what is sending immediately after ring? B is putting his call, I mean taking off, pick up his call, means after ring, then you are picking up, right? Then automatical answer will go. That the response name is 200 OK response. After you picking the call, immediately acknowledge who will send? User A. Client request will send. Which client? What request? Acknowledgement. So this is called, when this acknowledgement immediately gone, then traffic will flow. Who is carrying your traffic? Your voice communication, RTP, real-time transport protocol. So your discussion is going on. After this process, then your voice is going on. Your communication, discussing your audio, video, your traffic. After this four things: invite, 100 ring, 200 OK, acknowledgement. Then voice path will establish. After signal will establish, then voice path will establish. Already I explained in LT, right? So this is the process. Then it will come by. When either A can disconnect, switch off your phone, disconnect your phone, or B can disconnect. Correct or not? Suppose A is calling, not only A is calling, means A only will disconnect. Huh? Either he tell no, I'm busy now, I'm leaving now. Thank you. Then I'm disconnecting my call. Right? Same thing we are discussing. So likewise, that is called who is sending, who is the disconnect, that is called by. Here B is sending by. Then 200 OK, who is sending? A. So here A is sending 2 means this is server now. So you see 200 OK, who is sending? Server. Who is sending response, that is called server in that time. Who is sending request, that time he is the client. Correct? Now methods. So these are the SI method: invite, acknowledgement, buy, cancel, registration, option. I'll tell that when CPL gateway is nothing but internet. That gateway is nothing but communicator, transmitting, translator, signaling transmitter, VoIP transmitter. Okay, codec. So companies, one VoIP, 70% companies are working with voice support, voice model. Secret hacking, denial of service, everyday EFS dropping. So these are your communication. Okay. So anybody having the question, tell me. Gana, do you have any question? So today only VoIP understanding. I'll tell. So how to switch on, how to deploy your VoIP network, asking server, how to server will implement. So in VoIP, their protocol I explained. Then tomorrow we'll start SIP protocol, session initial protocol. After that, I will tell SD protocol, then RTC protocol, then Megaco. Then VoIP will over, then we'll start IMS. Clear? So this month I have to finish in June IMS and VoIP. My target is there. Next month I told already I'll start IMS, sorry, LT 5G. August, July last I have to finish all things. Okay. Anyhow, because I will not miss my timing. Today night also I can stitch. Okay, no problem. So who is having pending this month due, you have to release. Okay, this month due. Last month registration, all guys given or pending is there. Please clear. Okay. Can are you able to understand, right? VoIP network. Then I'll tell that. Okay. I'll tell that. Procedure tomorrow will say that tomorrow. Hello, Gana.
Sir.
कहाँ पूछे लड़को